Marmon Industrial Energy and Infrastructure, a division of Marmon Electric, a Berkshire Hathaway company, is the industry leader in power, control, and instrumentation cables for the nuclear, utility, oil and gas, manufacturing, rolling stock, and fire safety markets with more than 100 years of experience supporting global energy markets. We are excited to offer world-class product solutions and the services to support the fast-charging cable needs for the EV market. This experience and expertise uniquely position Marmon Industrial Energy and Infrastructure as a key U.S.-based supplier in the EV DC fast-charging cable market. Our patented forced air-cooled solution is an innovative game-changer. Innovators at Marmon Industrial Energy and Infrastructure have developed a proven solution for forced air-cooled cables for EV charging stations. This technological breakthrough will safely provide OEMs with increased uptime, reduced cost of ownership, and an enhanced user experience without the use of liquids such as glycol. It will be a more environmentally friendly charging cable that is lighter and more flexible, and also provides reduced maintenance costs. Our journey starts with grid power and on-site solar power managed by a power conversion system. Here, powerful transformers and inverters convert the AC to DC current and send it over to a battery module system, where the power is managed and stored to be supplied to the charging ports when needed. This is a more detailed illustration of a typical battery energy storage solution, or BESS. These are the cables offered by Marmon IEI to support the system. All this sounds pretty good up to now, right? But here's where Marmon IEI really steps ahead of the competition. On site, we house two redundant air cooling systems, which compress and chill the air to be sent through our new patented cables. This cooling allows us to send a voltage higher than a non-cooled cable to the vehicle, so our cables use less copper, are lighter and more flexible, charge faster, and are easier for the customer to handle. Let's take a closer look at this new innovative charging solution.
We're going to begin with a scroll compressor. Purpose is to compress the air, and we're going to feed it over to this air tank. This is going to be the receptacle where we're going to hold that compressed air. Now, what's important in our system is that that air is very dry and it has no particulates or oil in it. So how do we do that? Well, we have desiccant dryers, and we also have filtering systems here that are making sure downstream compressed air is very, very clean.
After we chill the air, it passes through these lines to the charger. Here, our system provides even greater cooling with a supercooler built into each charge station. This is the supercooler.
So I'm with Darren Zimmerman representing Copeland. Copeland is the supplier of the Marmon supercooler. Darren, why don't you tell us how this unit works?
Yes, hi, Joe. So basically we have the high and low side of a refrigeration system here. So we're taking your compressed air and it's being pushed through our heat exchanger, which we're supplying the refrigeration for. And we're going to cool that air, which will then be pushed through the charging cable to help cool the cable.
Excellent.
Engineered air couplers are attached to the two power conductors that allow the chilled air to flow through the cable insulation. The chilled air removes heat that is generated by the power conductors so the cable can operate safely and efficiently. To dissipate any heat from the process, we utilize underground vented baffles. These units remove any remaining heat from the cable as they quietly expel the compressed air. We also support non-cooled locations. In fleet and service network locations, there are needs for different power levels. Our non-cooled cables provide reliable power to the lower power DC chargers that do not require augmented cooling. This allocation of power allows energy savings for the longer vehicle dwell times. This is the new forced air solution that is patent pending. As you can see, our dynamic cooling system will enable us to use less copper, which will in turn allow for lighter, more flexible cable and a more user-friendly charging experience. The elimination of liquid, further enhancing lightness and flexibility in the cable, will also result in lower operating and maintenance costs. As a material sciences company, Marmon IEI is in the forefront of innovation and technology in the evolving EV charging landscape. Contact us for more information at evmarmoniei.com or call us at 1-800-327-7625.